Munchies, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Alyssia, and today we are celebrating my good friend Sara Lynn, who many of you know to be the Domestic Geek. You may have seen us collab many times before on our own channels, or you may have seen a channel that we host together, Friday Night Supper Club. If not, check it all out, but today is all about her brand new cookbook, Meals Made Easy. It's a fuss-free approach to healthy cooking, and I know that's the truth because Sara Lynn and I really align with how easy we want and need healthy to be in order to actually stick with it. The book is divided into breakfast, lunch, dinner, veggie, and essentials, and there are over 100 recipes, and it's honestly such a beautiful book. In the book, she has a section called What Does Healthy Even Mean? And so many things resonated with me, I just had to share a few lines from it. The truth is that healthy is totally subjective and means something different to each of us. Healthy means cooking and eating at home. Almost anything you make at home is going to be better for you than something you picked up at a fast food joint or had delivered. So true. And healthy means satiating. You can eat all the salad you want, but if you're still starving when you're finished, you haven't done yourself any favors. Food is meant to nourish the body and the soul. Yes! Most of you know that this is exactly how I feel about health, and that's why Sara Lynn and I align, and I'm so excited to share some of her recipes with you now. She actually doesn't even know I'm making this video, so it's up to you to go and tell her on her channel and Instagram. So I chose 3 recipes to share. One is a breakfast cookie, a cucumber and watermelon salad, and a Mediterranean penne. So that way you get one hot and one cold dish, which I thought were perfect for summer. Let's start with breakfast, chocolate chia breakfast cookies. But I took advantage of the neat mix it up detail she includes in so many of her recipes in the book, which gives me modifications to keep meals versatile. So it's actually like there are way more than 100 recipes in this book. I'm doing chocolate peanut butter chia breakfast cookies. Start by soaking chia seeds in water for about 10 minutes. Then I grab my ripe bananas and mash, add in smooth natural peanut butter, which I'm swapping for almond butter, the soaked chia seed mixture, unsweetened cocoa powder, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, and baking powder. Mix until well combined. And then spoon heaping tablespoons onto a prepared baking sheet and bake for about 14 minutes. Cool for 5 minutes before enjoying. What? These are chewy, soft, and cake-like. They're so satisfying for any time of day, but I'm not gonna turn down cookies for breakfast. You can store these in the fridge or freeze for up to 3 months. You've gotta give them a try or consider the chocolate cherry or double chocolate versions. This recipe is also vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free. I love that she included the health values for every single recipe too. Okay, next up, a cucumber and watermelon salad. It's so easy, but when I saw this, I was like, wait, why haven't I put cucumber in a salad with watermelon before? It seems so obvious now. What a good choice. I mix together lime juice and honey as my dressing. Then I add chopped watermelon, cucumber, and feta. Top it all with mint leaves and toss to combine. And you've got the most refreshing summer salad of all time. It is so easy to make, great for yourself or a crowd. The lime juice, watermelon, and feta is a classic combination that's hard to beat. Before I get to the last recipe, I had to draw attention to the photos in the book. Not only is the food photography amazing, but there are some awesome photos of Sara Lynn. Now, this struck me because when we do photos for our Friday Night Supper Club, we always joke about how bad we are at taking photos and how much we hate it, and she looks so natural in these. I had to have a little bit of fun with it. Don't hate me. Okay, can you believe how easy these recipes are? The next one is no different because it is a one-pot Mediterranean penne. Less dishes can never be a bad thing. In a large Dutch oven, or you could use a soup pot, I add broth, penne, I went with whole wheat, tomatoes, garlic, and Greek seasoning. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat and then cover and reduce to medium. Once the pasta is cooked through, after about 15 minutes, add spinach, chopped artichoke hearts, roasted red peppers, and olives and stir well, allowing the spinach to wilt. It'll only take about 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and add some feta and you are good to go. This was a favorite when we filmed. It's warm and satisfying, but so light. And honestly, we've been eating leftovers cold too. Savory, deliciously balanced with the acidity of the tomatoes and the red peppers and the salty bite of the olives and feta cheese. so good. Sara Lynn and I talk all the time, so I know how hard she's worked for literally years to make this baby possible. She's wanted to develop a cookbook since she was a kid, so I know that this is a dream come true for her, and I am so proud, and I just wanted to make a video to share the love and let her know how proud of her I am and share it with all of you too. I hope that you'll get your own copy of the book. It is linked in the description box below, and be sure to head over to Sara Lynn's channel on Instagram and let her know that you saw this video. Also, check out our joint channel, Friday Night Supper Club, for more fun that's a little less healthy. Thanks so much for your support. I am blown away by how amazing this community is every single day, and I'm so happy you're here. I'll see you next week, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.